I'm inshallah training to be a doctor. I do taqleed of Ayatollah Sistani. When I was younger, I followed him simply because my parents used to follow him. But as I grew up and I began to understand more, I did more research on his rulings and his status of knowledge, and I decided that it was suitable for me to continue following him. I have always thought that Azadari is something part of our religion, and in my opinion, our faith would be incomplete without it. I see it as a valuable tool to get closer to Allah and the Ahlul Bayt al-Islam, and as a source of unity amongst the lovers of the Ahlul Bayt al-Islam, no matter who they are, whether their age, gender or ethnicity differences. And I also feel that it is necessary to keep the teachings of the Ahlul Bayt al-Islam alive by remembering what it was that Imam Hussein al-Islam stood up for. I mainly participate in chest beating, but more recently I have done tatbir and walking on the coal on the days of Ashura. If I were to summarize what I feel when I do these azadari, I would say that I feel a sense of inner joy and peace. I feel as though I get hope and especially motivation to strive in the way of Allah and not to lose myself when I'm faced with difficulties, because I know I have these great personalities to turn to and empathize with me, because they have been through the greatest tragedies incomparable in human history. I would like to appeal to those who have not already done so to ask themselves what it is about Imam Hussein al-Islam's sacrifice that has made the whole world shed tears for him year after year.